Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we'll understand file handling. In a programming we may require some specific input data to be generated several numbers of times, and when the memory is volatile it is impossible to recover the programmatically generated data again and again. However, if we need to do so, we may store it onto the local file systems which is volatile and can be accessed every time. Here comes the need of file handling in File handling in C enables us to create, update, read or delete the files stored on the local file system through our C programs. The following other operations can be performed on a file: that you can create a file, you can open, read, write, and also you can delete the file. So there are some file handling functions provided by C programming, like fopen to open a new existing file, fprint to write the data into file, fclose to close the file, scanfc, putfc to read and write characters into the file. Again, writes an integer to the file. We have fp put w, then fget w. So this way we have file handling function. We'll have an example of that. You have to write down a keyword file, then fopen, then constant character whichever, the file name which you want to open, and a mode. So here fopen has a mode, like firstly what will happen with the modes we will see. So fopen function accepts two parameters: the file name, that is the string. If the file is stored at some specific location, then we must mention the path at which the file is stored. For example, here we have written file name dot comma constant character, and the mode in which file is to be opened, it is a string. So we have a mode of file opening. Then here is the list of those modes. So if you are writing R, that means you are opening a text file in a read mode. If you are writing W, that means opening in a text file in write mode. So we have a mode. That's why we are seeing here the simple program to open a file in a write mode. So what I'll do, I'll start with code blocks. So let's open code blocks, and I'm going to start with a new empty file. So before starting, I'm going to click on open. So here I have some C source files. So right now I have this AA file, so it is in document. So what I'll do, I'll open this file by using our today's program. So I'm going to give the path of that file. So let's start with hash include stdio.h, and then what I'll do is I'll start with a void main. So here I have written void main. Inside void main, I'm going to use a keyword, as I told you, file. So it will be like this, file. After that, it has to be in uppercase. I'm using the asterisk sign, and I'm going to give fp. Then what I'll do is I'll use the character ch, one more declaration of a variable. Now I'm using fp, that is the my file right now, my current temporary file in my program, and I'll ask to open file as fopen in bracket with colon. I'm going to open the file which I would like to. So I'll write down AA with .c extension, and then what you have to do is comma, again in an inverted comma you have to write down the mode. So I'm using R mode, that is only read mode, and then I'm starting with while one here, while one. So ch equals to, so we want the characters, so that's why I'm using fget c to be shown on the output screen which characters file, that is fp's file. And then I'm using if, so ch is equals to o f, then you have to the break, and what you have to do is you have to print. As I told you, the file will have a output data in a string way, percentage %c character ch, and then I'll use one more file function, that is you have to close that file. So you have to fclose fp, that is my file, that is fp, and then you have to use a semicolon over here. Now I'll save my file as file.c, and I'll build this file. So here is build finished with 0 error. Let's run this. Okay, so here is, I can give any name of my choice. I'll select another one. So go for open, and here I have abcc source file as, so I'll write down abc control s, here must be equals to, and then what I'll do is I'll again build this. Okay, this again save, and then I'll, so here it is showing us error again. Let's see what error it is showing. Okay, so one have done, printf must the error, and let's run this. So as you can see, my abc file is nothing but one program of array. So it's two-dimensional array program. Let's try with another file. Here I'm going to open any other file. Let's open more, like area. I'm going to use area. So this file is already being stored on my computer. You can open any file of your choice. As you can see, area file content is on the output screen. So we have passed those content to our ch, and then we have displayed the same on our output screen. So this way you can have opening of file, reading of file with the R mode. I hope you understood today's program of introduction of file handling. Thank you.